This is only my second time skiing ever, and somehow I've already decided I'm committing to learning how to ski this whole winter, even if it means falling, struggling, or freezing. Yeah, all of it. But honestly, I'm starting to love it. So today we're back at the Crabbe Mountain Resort, which is here in New Brunswick. It's actually one of those local gems. Nothing flashy, nothing intimidating, but that's exactly why I like it. You just, pull in, gear up, and it just feels welcoming, especially if you're new and still figuring things out, like me, of course. So Crabbe Mountain, just a quick bit of a history. Crabbe Mountain has been around for decades, and it's stayed true to what it is, in my opinion. Well, it's a community-run ski hill, which is built for people who genuinely love winter sports. It's located not far from Fredericton, which is nice. It's only like about 45 minutes drive away, making it a perfect day trip or a weekend spot. No big resort pressure here, just a place where you can learn, fall, laugh, and keep trying. Over the years, Crabbe Mountain has grown and improved. So currently they now have better lifts, groomed runs, a solid lodge, but it still keeps that relaxed local vibe. It's not trying to compete with massive resorts, and honestly, that's its strength. Now, let me be real with you. This is only my second time skiing. I'm still learning how to control my speed, still figuring out my turns, and yeah, I still fall. I mean, a lot. But compared to my first time, I can feel the progress, and the feeling alone makes it worthwhile. There were moments today where I felt completely out of control, and moments where things finally clicked, even just for a few seconds. And those few seconds, they're really addictive. It's true what others say. Once you've learned the basics, slowly but slowly you get addicted to it. After a couple of days, you will be thinking about buying stuff for the ski or the skates for the snowboard. So I think that's really true. I used to think skiing was only fun once you're good at it, but I'm realizing that's the learning part, the struggle, the small wins. That's actually the fun part. I'm not gonna lie, there were times I looked absolutely miserable trying to get back up, ski boots locked in, skis everywhere, probably gone, as in completely gone. But you just laugh it off, catch your breath again, and just keep trying. No one's judging you here. Everyone started somewhere, right? And Crabbe Mountain feels like a safe place to be bad at skiing or snowboarding or whatever winter sports you're at. One thing I really like about Crabbe Mountain is how beginner-friendly it is. You've got a good mix of runs, lessons available, night skiing, and even a terrain park if you're feeling brave. It's affordable, not overly crowded, and you don't feel rushed or pressured. Whether you're brand new or just trying to improve, this place gives you room to grow. If you're someone who is curious about skiing but afraid of slowing people down or looking silly, this is the kind of mountain you want to start on. It's relaxed, it's local, and it reminds you that skiing doesn't have to be perfect to be enjoyable. What surprised me is that Crabbe Mountain isn't just a winter destination. During the off-season, you can hike, mountain bike, and enjoy some really scenic views up here. It's one of those places that stays alive year-round, not just when there's snow. This winter, I'm committing to learning how to ski. I'm not chasing perfection. I'm chasing progress. And every time I come back here, I feel a little more confident, a little more excited. So this might only be my second time skiing, but it's already become something I genuinely look forward to every winter. Crabbe Mountain gave me a place to start, to fall, to learn, and to enjoy the journey. And if you've been thinking about trying to ski, maybe this is your sign. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your backpack and get ready. Ski there, snowboard, have fun with your families and friends. I'll see you all in my next videos. Ciao, bye.